एक वोट लेंगे, वोट डोर खुला रखेंगे, बंद करेंगे? अरे हंस रहे, सच्ची पूछ रहा हूँ. So how many people feel that doors should be kept open? At 4th week level I'm asking you.
No.
4th week level, एक दरवाजा खुला रखो. 8:15, 8:30, 9:15. कितने लोग मानते हैं कि बंद कर दें अभी? अरे मे बी आपका अपलाइन नहीं है यहाँ, आपका डाउनलाइन में भी नहीं है, चलेगा? हैं? तो शीतल will decide what is to be done with the door, but this is the first thing, boss. आज के टॉपिक के बारे में. Today's topic is going to be something that can actually make your business. How many people attending the second week night out? यहाँ उसका वीडियो देखा है? अगर मिस किया है, yeah. So अगर आपने वो last second week night out जो हमने लिया था, topic was very simple. It was 4 basics. लेकिन we talked about some things in the 4 basics जो usually miss हो जाते हैं. Do you agree? Yeah. So this is basically a continuation of it. क्योंकि अगर second week night out के जो भी information या teachings whatever you had, अगर आप वो अपने business पे incorporate करना शुरू कर दो, तो एक चीज निश्चित है that there will be growth, right? So how many people have started applying the second week night out? कुछ भी, I'm not saying entirely, but something. कितने लोगों ने वो तेरे मेरे किया? मजा आया? Okay, so good. I'm glad. You know, the reason you are here in 4th week night out is because you are applying what you are learning. You are not just listening. You are actually sitting and learning it. So let me tell you, what do we have in store today for you? So I had the opportunity of discussing today's 4th week night out with Vinod last night, and in spite of everything, he has given me some tips which are mind-boggling. So you are in for a treat. I am excited about taking the topic because the information that he has shared with me is so exciting. So tell me, what is the first step of growth? First step. कि ग्रोथ तो होना है अभी, क्योंकि सेकंड वीक नाइट आउट अगर आप अप्लाई करोगे ना, 4 बेसिक्स हो जाएगा वो चेंजेस के साथ, तो ग्रोथ तो होना ही होना है. सबसे पहली चीज क्या है ग्रोथ के लिए? वो तो हो गया ना, इधर पहुंच गए मतलब एक्साइटेड हो. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर पीपल सिटिंग इन दिस रूम. आई होप दैट एज 4th week night out you are excited.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So what is the most important thing for you all? If you are going to see the growth now, Jan, Feb, March, please setting a goal. Most important thing in this business. Nothing happens in the Amway business if you don't set a goal. You may have a very big dream and you don't break it up into small goals. You go nowhere. Biggest blind spot in the Amway business. Right. So I'm going to continue from last time, and I'm going to talk on certain things which in our experience is the commonest blind spots that stop people from growing. Okay. Now the topic is basically goal setting. Maybe I'll incorporate, if I have the time, a little bit about game planning. And I'm going to talk about certain situations, common situations. You will have to figure out which one is relevant for you. मजा आएगा?
Yes.
Right? So let me tell you कि किन लोगों के लिए ये आज का टॉपिक इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर आपने एक ही गोल more than twice सेट किया है और अचीव नहीं किया है, this topic is for you. अगर आपने एक ही गोल अचीव किया है, फिर लूज किया है, फिर अचीव किया है, फिर लूज किया है, और उसमें 6 से ज़्यादा महीने निकले हैं, दिस टॉपिक इज फॉर यू. अगर आपने एक बहुत बढ़िया एनुअल गोल सिलेक्ट किया था, एक फर्स्ट क्लास मोमेंटम से बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था, और जनवरी के महीने में आपके मन में ये सोच है कि वो गोल होगा कि नहीं, दिस टॉपिक इज फॉर यू. ओके, सो आई नो दैट इस 3 कैटेगरीज में यहाँ पे कुछ लोग में भी होंगे, कोई एक में है, कोई दूसरे में है, कोई तीसरे में है. बट आई प्रे दैट अगर आप इन 3 कैटेगरीज में भी नहीं हो, and you are still in student mode, and listen to the mindset that I am going to deliver behind goal setting and game planning, I can guarantee you one thing: you will see growth. So are you ready? How many people ready for growth? Yes. Or you are happy achieving 4th week night out, sitting, other people looking from outside, excited? Are you good with that? Or you want growth?
Growth.
So what does growth mean? Growth means that your business moves from wherever it is today to a bigger business.
Yes.
Growth means that you see a higher PV closing. Growth means you see more people in your organization. Growth means you see more people sitting in 4th week night out. Are you understanding what I mean by growth? So let's talk about goal setting and game planning. So I hope I've opened your mind by now. So I wanted to give about 3 to 4 minutes so that you know that goal setting and game planning is the key that you need to learn. So let's talk about goal setting. Now what we've seen is that people set a goal, and I'm sure that everybody who's sitting here in 4th week night out sets a goal. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. But it's not necessary. Sometimes people assume a goal also. So let me tell you what is goal setting. Goal setting is something that has to be a smart goal. You know, so people remember smart goal?
Yes.
Specific होना चाहिए,
बिल्कुल.
measurable होना चाहिए, आगे ना,
Yes.
achievable होना चाहिए, realistic होना चाहिए,
Yes.
और time bound होना चाहिए. ये हम सबको पता है,
Yes.
लेकिन आपके अपलाइन का सैंक्शन होना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि रियलिस्टिक है कि नहीं है कौन डिसाइड करेगा?
अपना.
somebody that is not sitting on your chair. So कई बार हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये गोल अचीवेबल है, पर we don't know whether, I don't know personally whether I am the right person to decide whether it is a realistic goal for me. Right? So I need somebody's help. So for me, my upline mentor is the person who is going to determine whether it is realistic. हो सकता है? Right? Now goal setting करते समय चलो upline mentor को involve किया, and एक गोल सेट हो गया, कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, 9%, 15%, सिल्वर, 12%, whatever is the goal, सेट हो गया, राइट? लेकिन हम लोग वो रूम से निकलने के जैसे दरवाजे से निकले ना, मन में एक डाउट रहा कि इसने बोला तो है, सुनने में तो अच्छा लगता है, होगा कैसे? So you lost the goal on the first day of the month. You lost it. Because if you are listening to your upline and your upline is setting your goal, you are not going to achieve it. Even if you achieve it, you won't be able to maintain it. Right? So who should be setting the goal? You should be setting your goal. But who's going to decide whether it is a realistic goal? Your upline. So be careful. Be careful of the goal that you are setting. Be careful. You should pray, before you go to your upline's place while doing goal setting, that my upline should not tell me you can do it. This is the most scary thing to listen from your upline. If your upline just tells you, na, fantastic, you can do it, you did something wrong. Right? Or you did not do everything right. So how do you go for goal setting? You should work, you should go prepared. You should go obviously with a goal. So let's say you're a 15% or 9% in the business. The common goal is that if you want growth, आपको pin change करनी है कि नहीं? So your goal should at least think that I'm a 9%, I want to go to it. बराबर है ना? Don't set a goal that I want to go on SOCD. That's later. Your first goal should be that I want to grow. So from 6 you go to 9. There's nothing like strong 6%. So if you're a 6, you set a goal of 9%. Right? So let's say आपने ऐसे एक goal set कर दिया. You should also make a plan अपने mind में कि कैसे होना है. मैं अगर 9% जाने वाला हूँ या 12% जाने वाला हूँ, तो वो पीवी कहाँ से आने वाला है? उसके लिए क्या ज़रूरी है? आपको अपने ग्रुप को असेस करना चाहिए. You should know, right? So कई बार हम अपलाइन के पास जाते हैं गोल सेट करने के लिए, हमें टीम का फीडबैक नहीं रहता है कि उस बंदे का क्या गोल है. So as अपलाइन we decide, हाँ ये तो 9% जाएगा, ये तो 6% जाने वाला है, और वो इकट्ठा करके मेरा तो हो जाएगा, उतना बाकी मैं ऐसे करके you go to apply. So what is the upline going to say in this situation? You can do it. You understand? So we've gone through these things now. You've heard it. You can do it. You can do it really. But it's okay. You can. But I want you to have a business where you're having fun. Right? To have fun, prepare before you go to your upline. If you're not going, I don't want to know also whether you're going or no. But whatever may be your pin, if you yourself are not going to your upline to discuss your goal, problem. how Bali went, Dubai can also go. Don't get serious. Are really, I'm telling you, today you're going to get exposed to all the things. You're going to get that miracle formula. Okay, this is what I need to do. So listen carefully. You don't need notes for this. You have to, in my talk, you have to identify what is your point. Okay? So get your upline involved in goal setting. ठीक है, अभी plan बना दिया. So you should have feedback from your team. So who's going to initiate the feedback? You. When do you initiate the feedback? Before you go to your upline. So when should the process start? Last few days of the month. Yeah. That's a culture that you have to develop in your team. What is your goal? How can I help you? पूछ सकते हैं, right? वो सब information लेके आपका basic assessment एक तैयार होता है, where you will be in a position to set a smart goal. Right? अपलाइन को क्यों दिखाना है? Maybe आपने कुछ miss किया होगा, नहीं तो अपलाइन बोलेगा seems very much doable. Let's get it done. He will not tell you can do it. Are you understanding? So goal is very important. Now when you come with this information, there is a possibility that you can go through all the discussion. Sometimes people come to me. They come to me with a oak chart. Do you? Everybody knows what is oak chart?
Yes.
Are you sure you're drawing the right oak chart? Right. Check. Yeah. Just once again check, because a lot of people miss out a lot of things because the circles are not drawn correct. So this is not a place where I'm going to talk about oak chart, but I would strongly recommend get in touch with whoever is mentoring you in the business and be sure that you are drawing the right oak chart. Right? So in the last 3 months, I have changed so many oak chart that it's not funny. Suddenly people realize, "Arey, ये मेरा business ही change हो गया," because oak chart will speak to you. Right? So if your oak chart is right, your goal is right. क्योंकि अगर आपका assessment आपके business का सही है, तो आप एक सही goal set करते हैं. और यही कहीं ना कहीं कुछ चीजें हैं जिसके वजह से अगर आप उस 3 कैटेगरी में से एक में हो तो ये पॉइंट्स में नोट करो. नाउ once you draw your oak chart and you go to your upline, you have a plan for a particular pin and your upline is asking you particular question. हो सकता है कि upline को, you know your business more than your upline. So maybe when I'm the upline, what I focus on is that I want to know who are the second week night owls, who are the people who are fourth week night owls. जरूरी नहीं है कि सेकंड एंड फोर्थ वीक हो, लेकिन वो आदमी सिस्टम में है, ही इज लिसनिंग टू सीडी जो आप लोड कर रहे हो. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपका होमवर्क है बिफोर गोल सेटिंग, बिफोर गोल सेटिंग. राइट? व्हेन यू ड्रॉ योर ओक चार्ट, दिस इंफॉर्मेशन उसमें होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आपका अपलाइन आपका ओक चार्ट समझ के आपको एडवाइस देगा. सो लर्न हाउ टू ड्रॉ द ओक चार्ट वेरी 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 केयरफुली. विनोद ने ये सिखाया है. एक बार फिर मे बी वो वीडियो देख लो, उसमें सारी डिटेल्स हैं कि ओक चार्ट कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं. सपोज वीडियो नहीं है आपके पास, आपने वो कहीं सेफ नहीं रखा है, नो प्रॉब्लम, सिट विद योर अपलाइन मेंटर, he or she will teach you again how to draw your oak chart. Most important point that I have noticed in this activity about drawing oak chart, कि when you get input regarding your oak chart, no, it's basically a test of your submission. It's okay to disagree. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि अपलाइन ने जो बोला उसको अग्री करो, but be open to change. Sometimes your upline may be right. Sometimes you may be working with a particular circle and आपके नज़र में वो सर्कल बिल्कुल सही सर्कल है, but maybe कुछ महीने बाद आपको लगता है कि what went wrong. अपलाइन कुछ अंतर्यामी नहीं है, it's just his or her experience that helps them identify circles better. है? तो जब आप circles draw करते हो, I know one thing, I have seen Raj do it. अगर Raj, how many people have seen Raj? Met him at least once, right? Raj ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता है, देखा? He's always smiling, hello, hi, जैसे टक 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 करेगा, everything okay, टक टक, बराबर है. लेकिन कुछ लोगों से वो सवाल पूछता है. What do you do? How are things at home? How's work? That's Raj's circle. Are you understanding? Once Raj identifies a circle, no, he identifies a circle. अब राज मेरे को बोलता है, महेश, this is your guy. I should submit. I may think otherwise. बट इट इज राज's एक्सपीरियंस दैट टेल्स मी कि मैं कुछ भी सोचूं इस सर्किल के बारे में, अगर राज बोल रहा है ना तो मेरा सर्किल, राइट? सो दिस इज योर टेस्ट ऑफ सबमिशन व्हेन योर अपलाइन इज सजेस्टिंग समथिंग इन योर ऑर्ग चार्ट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, लेट्स से आपने ऑर्ग चार्ट सही बनाई है, आपने गोल अपने हिसाब से सही बनाया है, अपलाइन ने बोला यस इट इज डूएबल, लेट्स गेट इट डन. उसके बाद क्या करना पड़ता है? एक्टिविटी प्लान करनी पड़ती है. सो योर अपलाइन शुड आइडियली सी योर कैलेंडर, प्रपोज कैलेंडर, कि आप ये जो एक्टिविटीज और ये गोल प्लान कर रहे हो वो कैसे प्लान कर रहे हो. कुछ तो माइंड में होना चाहिए ना कि मैं ये लेग को 9% लेके जा रहा हूँ, कैसे? हम सबको पता है, इवन योर अपलाइन नोज दैट यूज शेयर और नेटवर्क के बीच में 9% जाते हैं, बट आपके माइंड में क्या है? तो आपका कैलेंडर क्या है? थोड़ा रफली लिटिल बिट अबाउट हाउ यू प्लान टू डू इट, कैसे आप स्प्लिट करने वाले हो हफ्ते, राइट? सो ये एक्चुअली दिस इज इंफॉर्मेशन दैट वी नो, है कि नहीं? सो समटाइम्स इट्स इजियर. Vinod has also given you a game plan which is a weekly game plan. So sometimes we follow that game plan also. And the calendar is not rocket science now. It's 5 days a week. You keep a family day, have one me day. That's what I call it. So out of 7 days, एक दिन आपका खुद का होना चाहिए, me day. One day should be family day, where you don't take any downlines calls and just devote that time to your children and your family. And then you try and work this business 5 nights a week. That's what's recommended. That's the 5 of the 953. And suppose you have a 3-day week. Is it okay? Absolutely. Absolutely. But your upline should know that this person has a 3-day week. Because it is important whether the goal is realistic or no. है कि नहीं? अभी 3-day week में तो goal realistic वो उससे match करना पड़ेगा ना. So that is experience. That's the role of your upline. So you set a goal, you make a fantastic plan, but you don't share the calendar. Then even your upline can be wrong in being realistic or unrealistic because he's presuming it's a 5-day week. है ना? So share your calendar, share your schedules. Be ready to maybe modify your calendar a little bit. आपको तो पता होगा ना आपका शेड्यूल क्या है, शेयर करो, ठीक है? चलो कैलेंडर सेट हो गया, एक्टिविटीज प्लान हो गई, तो सब कुछ हो जाना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? गोल इज रियलिस्टिक, इट्स अ स्मार्ट गोल, ग्रुप असेसमेंट इज प्रॉपर, planned activities are already scheduled, calendar is planned, then everybody should achieve. Correct or no?
Yeah.
Still people do the same thing every month, same goal. Okay, let me give you a blanket cover. If you've set the same goal over 3 months, it's not a smart goal. Are you okay with this? Is this getting too hard?
No.
No, if it is, then you should start feeling that you are 4th week. I'm not talking to 2nd weeks here. I'm talking to 4th week night owls. Right? Raj believes every 4th week night owl should be platinum. You want to go platinum or no?
Yes.
People who are not yet platinum. Yeah. So you need to understand that these are small things जो miss होते हैं. Okay. Now क्यों होते हैं? Why? सब कुछ सही है. Calendar is planned. Everything is done. Appliance is a fantastic man. You know everything about the business. Still गड़बड़. गड़बड़ वो तो कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा हुआ है? मेरे साथ हुआ है. अच्छा ओके, कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ? see the magic of this business. You know ये क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हम वीकली ट्रैक नहीं करते. जब हम वीकली ट्रैक करते हैं ना, वो वीकली ट्रैक में कुछ लोग होते हैं वो प्रिज्यूम करते हैं कि ये तो हो जाएगा, कि ये तो इन हैंड है, ये वो बंदा तो कर लेगा, और उसमें हम उसको ऐड करते हैं और एक प्रोजेक्शन बनाते हैं कि सब कुछ ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट वीक, राइट, फिर नेक्स्ट वीक में थोड़ा डर आ जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो प्लान किया था वो थोड़ा थोड़ा हुआ, बाकी धक्का मार के कभी कभी कर दिया, क्योंकि अपलाइन के सामने जाना है 2nd वीक ट्रैक के लिए. बराबर है ना? हाँ, फिर सडनली 2nd वीक ट्रैक में भी कैसे भी करके हम लोग बच जाते हैं. अभी फिर 3rd वीक जब स्टार्ट होता है ना, टोटल फटी कंडीशन में स्टार्ट होता है. क्योंकि अभी 2 वीक में तो आपने बोला सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है, सब ठीक है. Who is going 15%? I'm going 15%. Who is going 9%? I'm going 9%. हाँ, अभी 3rd वीक में जैसे टाइम कम होता है ना महीने का, उतनी फटी कंडीशन बढ़ती है. उसमें फिर होता क्या है, 3rd वीक पे कोई ना कोई इमरजेंसी आता है और कभी ना कभी फोन पे ट्रैक हो जाता है. व्हाट्सएप पे ट्रैक हो जाता है, ओक चार्ट बन जाता है, उसमें कुछ चीजें सडनली मिसिंग हो जाती है. पर आपके अपलाइन के पास आपका वो एलओएस आता है. आपको पता है कि नहीं पता है? नहीं, कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपने टीम का एलओएस देख सकता हूं बस, लेकिन आप भूल गए अपलाइन का भी एक टीम है, वो भी देख सकता है ना? तो बी केयरफुल, बिकॉज ट्रैकिंग इज only for one reason. Only one reason. Because in the Amway business, it is okay to reset your goal. It is okay to reset your goal. Why is it important in the Amway business? Because in the Amway business, you are sitting here to achieve, not to lose. है ना? How does your upline know that you have achieved? Your face shows it. मेरी शक्ल पे दिखता है, पता है कि नहीं? नहीं, कभी कभी लोग आईने में नहीं देख सकते हैं, वो बोलते हैं बुक इज द मिरर, बट अपलाइन इज एज गुड एज बुक, एज गुड. So कभी कभी वो चेहरे पे दिखता है, suddenly that smile is only gone, man. Then Shona has to come here and say smile. So she tells me also. So what I'm telling you happens to everybody. See, हम लोग कुछ दूध से धुले हुए नहीं हैं. We are all the same, but we are in that journey to plug these small. Okay. So be very careful of this weekly track. It's okay, boss, to reset the goal. अपने ही ऊपर खुद का ईगो मत लगाओ. मैं कैसे reset करूँ? अरे, there's no ego in resetting the goal. Let me give you one more example. This has happened in the past. 3 downlines set a goal. Let's say ये 9%, ये 9%, ये 9%. कितना हुआ? 12% हो गया? अपना क्या करेगा अभी? Because he wants to go 50. तो गोल क्या सेट होएगा? 15 ना? Common sense, right? Common sense. अभी उसके पास दूसरा कोई चारा नहीं है 50% जाने का. 1500 तो आ गया, बाकी कितना जरूरी है? 2500. कंडीशन कैसी होगी? होगी, बराबर है ना? 3 महीना फिर गोल चेंज होएगा, रीसेट खुद करेगा, स्ट्रॉन्ग 12%. What is this, man? There is nothing like strong 12%. Strong 9%, strong 12% should happen by default. If it is a goal, it's a loser goal. There is nothing like strong 12%. What is strong 12%? Well, I'm a strong platinum. What? If you're not a founder's platinum, you're not anything. You go founders. Right? I'm a founder's platinum. Oh, good, very good. Let's break a leg. Yes or no? Right? So be careful. These small things will determine your rate of growth. Grow आप सब होंगे. If you are a 4th week night owl, you are going to grow. But the rate of growth, how many people want to grow the business fast? Be careful of what all I am saying today. Very, very important. Okay. Now let's say goal setting हो गया, game planning हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया, and you are ready to reset a goal. दुश्मन मत बनाओ अपलाइन को. तुम मेरा गोल सेट कर. If he's resetting your goal, is only one reason. He wants you to get a feeling of achievement. A strong 12% should be a reset goal, not at the beginning of the month. आपका goal है 15%, right? किसी कारण 15% is not a joke. I understand that. Okay. 15% जाना है, किसी कारण वो नहीं हो रहा है, बिकॉज एक टीम का गोल होता है ना, अकेला बंदा 15% नहीं जाता, यू नो दैट राइट? 6-9 how many people were there in my 15% training? 9% खींच के 12% is the only thing that you can do alone. If you try to build the business beyond 12% alone, you're a loser right there. You need a team. बराबर है ना? A team goes platinum, right? So when you are at 12% or maybe even 15%, beyond that, if you are not setting a team goal and your team is not talking about team goals, platinum is a little far. You have to get that culture into your team. Okay. So this game planning, goal setting is a culture that you have to develop in your teams. Okay. How do you develop these cultures? You start talking about this in the very beginning. Don't wait for that person to come 9%. And then say, कि goal क्या है? You start it in the very beginning. That's why you talk about the LYF, because what's the first chapter? Are you understanding why the system is so strong? So somehow these small things, as we grow in the business, we forget the simple things. And as we forget the simple things, we do everything, but there are these blind spots in these simple things. Okay. So be careful, be careful. One more point is that, let's say if you have come, this I learned from Shona actually. If you have come to your upline and you've done a goal setting, you've done a game planning, and you have come for tracking, okay, and every week you're coming with the same situation and same problem. When your upline knows that you are listening, not learning, and willing to listen and learn is the biggest criteria if you want a platinum organization. Biggest criteria. Because if there is a solution to a problem, then we need to work towards the solution. हाँ क्या ना?
Yes.
The moment the problem becomes the focus, there's never going to be a solution. You cannot go wrong here. Always remember this. Yeah. You always work towards a solution. The moment the problem becomes a focus, you will never find a solution. Second thing that you always remember, and this probably happens to each and every one of us some stage in life while building the Ambo business. When you have reason, you will not have result. And when there is result, there is hardly any reason. Okay. So when you come for weekly tracking with your goal adequately prepared and you have a reason, it is your upline's responsibility to offer a solution. That's your upline's responsibility. उसके ऊपर लोड मत लो, वो upline का लोड है. But when you are offered a solution and you think it is not possible, it is your responsibility to tell the upline कि ये नहीं होगा मेरे से. बोल सकते हैं? Nobody is perfect, boss. अगर हम सब perfect होते थे तो we should have had diamonds. हम नहीं है ना? So we are all learning. Give your opportunity to your upline to find a solution or help you find a solution. But at least tell the upline, be honest is what I'm saying. When you come for game planning, counseling and tracking, be transparent and honest with your upline. Don't shy away from resetting your goal. Please communicate with your upline if you are deciding to reset your goal. Because you should know that your upline's goal is connected to your goal. We are all connected, right? Suddenly I decide कि छोड़ना यार क्या है? Will it affect my upline's business? So resetting a goal on your own is also part of cardinal rule. Never do anything for the first time without consulting. बोलते हैं ना कि नहीं, I spoke to 4 downlines, उन लोग ने reset किया तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मैंने भी कर दी. It's okay. बता दो. बता तो सकते हो. So I think this was important. Some people lost their smiles, so I know that it was effective. But the intention is very pure, boss. We are at a very crucial stage. This is 25th of January.
Yes.
We are on 25th of January. Okay? And there are people sitting in this very room, whose uplines believe that they can get it done and be at Dubai. Uplines believe it. There are some people sitting in this room. And there are some people I know can get it done personally from my team in this room. But if they apply what they have learned in these last 2 sessions, they will get it done. Otherwise, Southeast Asia is also there. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. So I'm going to give you one last testimonial, and we're going to end with that. And if Shona wants to add something, at the beginning of this year, now I'm giving you an honest testimony. I'm talking about my business. This has been discussed with Vinod, but he doesn't know that I'm going to share it in front of the entire team. But I'm going to do it anyway. So in the beginning of the year, we set a goal, me and Shona, regarding Dubai. So we don't need to set a goal of our qualification. We qualify any which way. So we set a team goal for Dubai. Okay. And we identified the people in the org chart. And we declared it to the team also. What are the numbers? How many people from my team know that I've done it? I reset that last month. I have reset it. That count is not 0. There are still some people who can make it. Your upline knows how it is to be done, provided you are ready to set a goal. So how many people still in running for Dubai? हाथ ऊपर कर दो सब लोग देखो मैं नहीं फोटो लूँगा सब लोग हाथ ऊपर करो. Yeah, because anybody sitting in this room takes a strong decision to get it done. You can wrap it up in 90 days. You can make all the necessary changes. Get the 3 P's into action while doing the 4 basics. Set a smart goal. Go transparent and honest in front of your upline. And reset your goal if required on a weekly basis. You can get it done. Help me welcome Shona on stage, please.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, goal setting में maybe I can just share few things with you all. कि realistic बोलते हैं हम goal कभी plan करते हैं sometime life happens sometimes situations happen we understand right but what we mean is by बार setting the same and not achieving ना it hurts your self image and it creates doubt. फिर क्या देखा है हमने 3 महीने बाद ना वो बिल्कुल ही मतलब we can see a 15% वो strong 12% का गोल लेके आ जाएगा बन आपकी टीम में होता है ऐसे डर जाते हैं लोग है ना डरना नहीं है. That power of hope, power of expectation, power of belief is important. It works, right? Magic can happen, miracles do happen. It is that balance in being, you know, roots thoda grounded रहने का, right? That's one thing. Second is building people along the way. Pushing and pulling. Push pull बहुत important होता है ना दरवाजा कभी खोलना है कभी push करना है कभी pull create करना है वो आपको हमेशा याद रखना है ना वो ड्रीम का हॉट बटन कभी दबाना वो नए बंदे जब आएंगे जब मोमेंटम क्रिएट हो रहा है ग्रोथ आ रहा है नए बंदे आ रहे हैं वो क्या डर रहे हैं और आर यू एक्चुअली एवरी मीटिंग इज बिल्डिंग देम अप बिल्डिंग पीपल बिल्ड अ बिजनेस है ना आर वी वीकनिंग देम आर वी एम्पावरिंग देम आर वी टेकिंग चार्ज आर वी गोइंग दैट एक्स्ट्रा माइल Are we pushing ourselves enough because this is a long race? कि हम थक जाते हैं 6 महीने के बाद आपको ही नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो रहा है क्या स्ट्रेस लेती थी मैं इसीलिए सब बिंदास बात कर रहे हैं हो चुका है गोल डिक्लेयर करके कैसे होगा राइट मेरे लाइक रोमा यू सी माय फेस लाइक गॉड से माय गॉड टू हैंडल हिम और टू हैंडल द गोल एंड फर्स्ट टाइम ही हैड सेड वी आर गोइंग सिल्वर
I did. With stress, but I did it.
Whatever. We've been through that. हम कुछ परफेक्ट नहीं प्रोड्यूस होके आए हैं टेंशन भी आता था गोल पर वही मज़ा है when we are in it together ना it's something else The team has to feel excited, not pressure. Especially new babies. वो नए पौधा अभी आ रहा है, उस पर प्रेशर डालोगे तो वो finished. है ना? आपके सर्कल्स कौन है? Who are those? Are we building those 10 relationships? See, it's all, everything, it's about everything coming together. Right? Don't get too much into analysis. Keep coming, reading your book a little, and don't start finding too many faults in yourself. Then 2 months are on a self improvisation. अभी मैं सिर्फ books और CD सब गलत हो रहा है, मैं ही गलत हूँ. So I am going to go into introspection. Now I'm on a sabbatical. मैं सिर्फ CDs और books करके मैं अपने आप को ऐसे बना दूंगा कि अट्रैक्ट करके लोग ऐसे मैग्नेट की तरह नहीं होता है. हाथ पैर मैले गंदे करने पड़ते हैं, वो छांटना पड़ता है, बीज फिर भी डालने पड़ते हैं, थोड़े उसमें से वीड आउट करके फेंकने पड़ते हैं बाहर, फिर वो जो अमृत निकलेगा ना वो ऐसे 4th week में बैठेगा. Don't doubt yourselves, don't too much get into that analysis. Right? It's a simple business. Innocent raho. Believe that the people are best, but believe in them. People see. You want belief in them or you want belief from them. You want FPO in them or you want to empower and create a leader in them. It's a balance. We have PC program, no? इतना अच्छा हो गया है. क्यों साथा पा रहे हो PC को business के लिए लाने को? List endless रखो. I am telling you. List अगर बनते रहे, if you are a happy person, list is ongoing, you will never have a problem. Okay? We believe in you. Give a round of applause for Amit and Neeta. It's going to be an awesome